Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market video for the week of February 25th, 2013. Let's take a look at what happened last week. Well, we came into last week talking about how we're getting extended here and that we should not be surprised if we saw a sharp pullback. And that's exactly what happened on Tuesday. Monday was the President's Day holiday. On Tuesday, we pushed up to get another new high here. And then on Wednesday, we just got whacked. Thursday, we went down further. And then Friday, we got the bounce back. Now on the SPY and the Dow and the IWM, which is the Russell, we got back and closed up more than, either at or above 50% of the decline. But the Qs, they came a little shy of that. They didn't really get back that much. And overall, the Qs have been lagging. The Nasdaq's been lagging. We've been talking about this. It looked like we had a shot. I have to tell you, after Tuesday's action, I really thought we were going to go higher Wednesday, and we just got cracked here. So the next question is, what are we going to do going forward here? Well, I mean, we had some buy signals coming into Friday, and we got a pretty nice size bounce here. You could see almost a 1% bounce here. So the big question is, will they continue to bounce us here, or was this just a 1 day in this fresh pullback pause, and then we're going to continue lower? And I don't know which way this is going to go right here, and I'm not going to pretend to know, but I am going to be watching this. I still think that we see all-time highs on the S&P and the Dow. Nasdaq, obviously, that's got a real long way to go to get there. The Russell was already at new highs, so yeah, I'm expecting that to get back and hit even higher highs. But I don't know if we're going to get there right from here, or if we're going to go into a complex correction here and then go higher. So for this week, I'm definitely going to be, even though I said I don't like to sit on the fence and, wait to see what the market does, but there's really no other way to look at this week. I mean, early in the week, we have some short-term buy signals, but, they can be done in the first half hour. They're short-term, so they really don't have any long-time predictability. Which is, I guess, why they're called short term. But anyway, so I'm not really, I don't really have a clear picture here of what we're going to do, if we're just going to just go right back, or like I said, if we're going to go into something more complex. But I do not believe the highs are in. I still believe we're going to go to higher highs here. Now, the question is, if we do go higher, and obviously I could be wrong with that, and maybe we have seen the highs, but assuming that I am correct and that eventually we do see a new highs, and of course the all-time highs, the 2007 highs, whatever, those are a target, but the first level, of course, to get through is the recent highs here on the SPY. So the question is, what happens when we do, move higher, or if we do move higher? All right, the volume has been pretty crappy here. It's been swelling on the down when we're trading down, and it's been contracting when we're going up. That's not bullish. All right, so what happens when we continue high? Is volume going to change, or it's still going to look like crap? What about momentum? What about other indicators that we use, which we talk about in the newsletter? So, all of this definitely has to be measured here. I would love to tell you I have a clear-cut opinion. I don't. I think we're going to go higher here, but I mean, it's kind of silly to, just assume that after, what we saw last week. And, if we offset it right at the beginning of the week, okay, then great. But, if we kind of linger around like this, the bulls could lose confidence and another wave of selling could come in. But like I said, to be clear, I still believe that we're going to new highs. So that's it. I don't like giving the cop out of, just go with the market. I mean, yeah, okay, you really need to listen to a 5-minute video with my lovely voice to have somebody tell you to just go with the market, but don't think there's really another way to look at this for the time being. So that's it. Don't forget, get on the list, get the daily email, and check the newsletter every day, and we'll be updating it and talking about what we're seeing on a day-to-day basis. Have a great week. I will talk to you soon.